up, everybody? Welcome back to Oblivion Garage. And man, it doesn't feel good to say that, doesn't it?
It feels amazing.
Guys, we're working on the kit. I'm so happy that the cat's out the bag and everything we're working on right now is currently out to you guys in public, and you guys have been giving us nothing but great feedback. I've been having a lot of questions saying if this kit is being developed for sale, and the quick answer is abso-fucking-lutely. This kit is going to be available for the market, but in all fairness, because it's just me and Terry working on these kits, and we're going to be the ones manufacturing them here after our molds are made. We're going to be the ones laying all the fiberglass and actually body working the kits, and the kits are going to be test fit and perfected body wise before being sent out to whoever buys them. So if you purchase a kit from us, just know it did get test fit and it is quality tested before being shipped out. But anyway, that's for further on down the line. But now that everything's out the bag, you know, you guys know about it, we can get back to freaking weekly uploads. Yes. and stop shying away from the media or social media. So Terry, what are we working on? Working out this angle, right?
Perfection. We are trying to get perfection right now.
That's right.
Not easy, but
so this angle was having a little bit of poke this way.
It was like this.
Yeah, so now we're just trying to match the body and get it straight as possible. And then we also bought these foam boards, and what these foam boards are going to allow us to do is to create the arches perfectly, so we don't have to worry about this thick old fat lip. This can get cut down, we can shape out, and then we can artificially craft our own lips to it, which will add a little bit more width. What is this? Basically like 1/4 inch. It'll give us a little bit more dimension 1/4 inch further out because we are bringing back in, and then it'll also give us the perfect diameter of the lip on the kit that we want to run. So we're gonna hit that for a little bit and we will catch y'all in a bit. I'm gonna put you guys on a time lapse real quick. So we went and got a cutout measurement of Terry's actual quarter panel with that piece of foam board, and we have it straightened out so that this is going to be our arch. That's going to be the arch.
The arch is going to be similar to OEM arch.
Yeah, it's pretty similar to the OEM arch. The OEM arch thickness is about 1.25 inches. We do want it to stand out quite a bit more, so we went 1.5 inches. And what we're gonna do is start sanding this lip down. So we're gonna sand it from this arch outwards to match that side right there. And then also we foamed in this with the paper there, obviously, so we can take the paper off, open up the door, and then fill that gap up nicely and sand it down to where we need it perfectly, because we still need to leave a little bit of a gap in there in order to fill the fiberglass, so that the fiberglass is not interfering with layer by layer, you know what I mean? So
unless you don't use your back seat, then that's a different story.
Yeah, and then no doors. No door entry for you.
No rear doors.
So we did that here. We're gonna match it up front and also match the thickness, so we got some work to do on that one. But once these sides are done, these two sides, then it's on to the other side.
Our tool broke. Oh my.
Guys, we have to cancel the entire production.
Yeah.
No more kits. Sorry.
No, it's done. It's over. So nah, we gotta go. We gotta go get another orbital sander because ours decided to break in the middle of working on the kit. So
yeah, that shit just had no more torque setting, and it just like it turned it on number 1, and was
yeah.
like, that was the new torque setting.
Yeah, it literally started. We clicked it on, it'll hesitate to start, and
sometimes it didn't even start.
Sometimes it didn't even start, and then when it did start, it'll start at 1, and then it'll climb up to 7, and then just full send.
Yeah, orbital sander hit VTEC, yo.
Yeah, it hit VTEC. It hit VTEC. As you can see, he's in his element. I don't know who keeps sneezing.
But they are fucking dying.
Oh, it's kind of dark. So, one of our biggest things were side markers, and we've made it fit. So it's still gonna be wide, but we've been able to integrate the side marker.
Yeah, so what's gonna be is right around the side marker. It's not gonna be a rough cut. If you could zoom in right here, Terry. I mean, you can't, it's hard to tell with the phone, but there's a bevel cut right into it. So it's not flat, it bevels into the side marker all around. So this would be a good indication of where exactly the kit needs to line up as far as the door goes. Because once you see this cut out, the kit's gonna just go around it.
You're welcome ahead of time.
Yes. So right now, what we're doing is working on the arch for just this section right here, which is funny enough because that's way more arch than what we need.
Yeah.
But it'd be perfect. We got this lined out because we're gonna retain the body line that goes all around the car, just because that's such an iconic Acura TL thing to have.
It needs to be there.
It's symbolism of the TL, not symbolism, but
it's kind of what it's known for too.
it is that line that goes all the way across. And I feel like if we retain the front side marker, you have to retain the rear. This is the rear side marker, it's just got tape on it, so
yeah,
it fits. As you can see, it fits snug like a glove. So we're just gonna shave all that out. It's not gonna be out completely, so this isn't gonna be one piece, two piece. No, it's just gonna have a groove in it.
Yep.
All right, guys, check this out. So I know it looks really rough right here, and there's all these wrinkles and whatnot, but trust, when the fiberglass gets laid on there, we have everything to make it smooth. So we have the lip on there, as you can see right here. We got it cut to shape. This is basically how it's gonna go. We're gonna lay the tape so that we have a somewhat smoother surface, and then it's just fiberglass. So this is almost ready to be fiberglassed, this right here. And as you guys can see, we have exactly the lip we wanted, equal all the way around. So that's gonna be nice. That's gonna be real nice. So the width on the front fender and the width on the rear fender are exactly the same. Then we're gonna do the same thing here, but this, we needed a little bit more sanding to do. And then also we need to groove this out, and we should be good to go. So we're leaving this gap because the layer of fiberglass is gonna thicken up in between them, and it's gonna close that gap up real nicely. And then obviously it's gonna get sanded on both sides so that it opens and closes the door perfectly with no issues. This is gonna be real nice, guys. Trust me, we're paying attention to every detail we can on this kit, so we're not gonna give you some jank shit.
Nope.
Get ready, guys, because this is gonna transform real soon. That about wraps it up for today. It's getting late, and Terry got to work tomorrow, and I got some stuff to do tomorrow. We made some progress today. Definitely made some progress. So, oh my God, it's that rear section.
We got
that rear
set back,
shot.
but we made progress.
Yo, look at that rear shot right there. That rear shot going into the front. That's gonna be a hell of a booty right there.
That's gonna be even more booty once you put the A-spec.
So we just put the rear A-spec on for all you A-spec boys. Terry,
A-spec boys.
go explain this real quick.
So y'all got booty, right?
Yeah.
With the A-spec, it got more booty.
Mm-hmm.
But with this wide body right here,
Mm-hmm.
it's perfect booty. Basically, we didn't want to do the red bumper because it would have been a lot more to do it. But since we have this cutout,
That
this
rounded
A-spec has
kick out.
that kick right here. It allows a nice little.
I don't know if you can see that. You see that? How that kicks out right there? If you roll all the way up, boom. Look at that kick out. It's way, way more drastic, but
Yes.
regardless, it kicks out both top and bottom. It goes with the A-spec lip quite nice.
Compliments it.
Yeah, and with this A-spec lip on, it's not on fully because there's still hardware on the back of it that's kind of pushing it off, but it freaking complements so nicely.
I'm not gonna lie, the 20 different shades that your car is actually working right now.
Carbon, gray, silver, clear, bronze, foam, blue. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, and can't forget dust.
Yeah.
Guys, so I don't think I ever showed you guys this yet, but I got a new exhaust. And it's big. Yeah, I got the ATLP 4-inch quad tips.
Yep, they don't fit, but we're gonna make them fit.
That's right. They're too big, but they're great. That's ridiculous. Anyways, that about wraps it up for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for supporting. Thank you guys for enjoying the kit. And we're gonna keep this content coming to you guys because it's fucking dope. So, catch you guys on the next one.
Definitely.
Peace out.